Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to tell you about the app which is used by many celebrities and other people on social media to create their old image. Old image means like the app shows you what you will look like in the old age. So the app name is FaceApp. When you click on the App Store or the Play Store and type in FaceApp, you will see this app, and you can download it. Once the app is downloaded, you can click on the app and you will see a screen which portrays what you can do in this app. You will see this screen, it says try free days trial and then you have to pay for the premium. You can decline this offer. You can also subscribe it if you want. So for demo, there are many photos given in this app. Let me select some photos here. So it is the demo photo. So in this app, mainly you want to create that old image which is trending nowadays on the Instagram and many other social media apps. So let me show you how to do it. So it will take some time processing the image so that it can use the AI to create your old age image. So there are many things in this app like impression, smiles, beard, hair color, hairstyle, glasses, age, makeup, filters, lens blur, background, tattoo, vintage, adjustment, crop. So let me show you the age one. So in this, when you will go in the age, you will see original, old, young, young. So when you will click on the old, it will process the image to an old image of yours. So like how would you look like in the old age? So as you can see, it has converted the image into an old image, and you can click on the apply and save that image. It will be saved in your album and then you can share it on your Instagram and other social media. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video.